Hello, my name is Caleb Simons. I'm a farmer and LG seeds dealer in Central Michigan, and I've been using Heads Up since 2021. And I source my Heads Up from either Unified Ag Solutions or Direct Enterprises. All right, I start by adding just a little bit of water into the mixer bottle. Then I open up the Heads Up packet. One full packet will treat 400 units of seed, and then I dump all of it into the blender bottle. And then I add just a little bit more water. Keep track of how much water you're adding so you can compensate for that with your treatment. Put on the lid, hold the top, and then I shake for 30 seconds. All right, and then after you get it mixed up, you simply just pour it into your treatment tank. One thing that I really like about Heads Up is that after 30 seconds of shaking, there's no chunks, so it mixes in with the other treatment or water really good. All right, and then the last step is to simply put this mixer in here and mix the Heads Up with your treatment. As you can see, Heads Up is an extremely easy product to mix into your seed treatment portfolio.